Hello and welcome to this video on Solidity programming language. In this video, we will explore what Solidity is, its features, and how to use it to create smart contracts. Introduction to Solidity. Solidity is a high-level programming language used to write smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. It is similar to JavaScript in its syntax and structure, making it easy for developers to learn and use. Features of Solidity. Solidity has several features that make it suitable for writing smart contracts, including object-oriented. Solidity supports object-oriented programming, allowing developers to organize their code into reusable components. Security. Solidity is designed with security in mind, with built-in features to prevent common security vulnerabilities like reentrancy attacks and integer overflows. Ethereum integration. Solidity is specifically designed to work with the Ethereum blockchain, making it easy to interact with other smart contracts and decentralized applications. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. They can automate the execution of complex transactions and agreements, without the need for intermediaries like banks or lawyers. Creating a smart contract. To create a smart contract using Solidity, you will need to follow these steps. Install a Solidity development environment, such as Remix or Truffle. Write your Solidity code, defining the contract and its functions. Compile the code into bytecode, which can be deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. Deploy the smart contract on the blockchain, using a tool like MetaMask. Let's take a look at an example of Solidity code for a simple smart contract. Pragma Solidity 0.8.0, contract my contract, uint256 public my number, function set number uint256 underscore number, public, my number equals underscore number, function get number public view returns, uint256, return my number. This code defines a contract called myContract, which contains a public variable called myNumber. The contract also includes two functions, setNumber, which sets the value of my number, and getNumber, which returns the current value of my number. In conclusion, Solidity is a powerful programming language for creating smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Its object-oriented design, security features, and Ethereum integration make it a popular choice among developers. With Solidity, you can create complex applications that automate transactions and agreements, without the need for intermediaries.